Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce our group. This is me, Ditafia Adiniannda, Sari Utari, and Aqila Nisfa Maulida. The title of the paper is an analysis code mixing in novel Ayat Cinta 2 by Habibur Rahman Al Sarisi. And in here, we want to present about a four sub, and this first is introduction, method, finding, discussion, and conclusion. Okay, let's go to one. Explain about introduction. Introduction is have this code mixing have in language. Language is one of the chapter in language is sociolinguistic. Sociolinguistic have two bilingual and multilingual. Do you know about bilingual and multilingual? Bilingual and multilingual is when you speak, when you write in book have two language, and in multilingual is then more two language, and in kind of bilingual and multilingual is code mixing and code switching. Our group choose code mixing. Code mixing in novel. Okay, code mixing is occur when the people mix a language between the mother tongue and English. Someone says code mixing is when you found mainly informal interaction. Okay, the next chapter is my friends.
Hello, my name is Aqila Nisfa Maulida. Now I will explain about method. Type of research. We use qualitative descriptive research and acceptable design. The goal of qualitative descriptive studies is a comprehensive summarization in everyday time of specific event experienced by individual or group of individual. To some researchers, such a qualitative design category doesn't exist. And collecting data technique, we use library research, involving the step-by-step process used to gather information in order to write a paper, create a presentation, or complete a project. As you progress from one step to the next, it's commonly necessary to back up, revise, and additional material, or even change your topic completely. And then analyze data technique. We use content analysis. It's a research method used to identify patterns in recorded communication. To conduct content analysis, you systematically collect data from a set of texts, can be written, oral, or visual. Example, book, newspaper, magazine, speeches, and interview.
Hello, my name is Sari Utari. Now I would like to explain about the finding this research. After collecting and analyzing, the researcher found about 619 data. Based on the data, there contain 5 languages in code mixing. There are Japanese, about 1%, Arabic, about 70%, and Turkish about 45%, and Germany about 77%, and also English about 400 to 1006. For the English about 426. From this data, researchers found three kind of from the data. Okay, let's go. From the data, researcher found 3 types of code mixing based Nevado, and in 2018 said code mixing have 3 kinds. There are senatorial, intrasenatorial, intralexical, and the last involving change pronunciation. Can you see that from the diagram? The intrasenatorial have 93%, and then intralexical have 5%, and the last involving change pronunciation have 2%. All the data, the big data have for intrasenatorial code mixing.
Okay, the next slide is the conclusion. This conclusion is codemixing in English is important based on the data obtained and the data has been analyzed by the researcher. The researcher found 426 data in the other language, and such as Germany 77 data, Japanese 1 data, Turkish 45 data, and Arabic 70 data. From this data, the researcher found 3 types. This is intrasentical, intralexical, and involving change pronunciation. In here, the data of the 3 types is intrasentical 93%, intralexical 5%, and involving change of pronunciation 2%. From the result of the analysis, it can be concluded that codemixing in English is important because it is used to explain foreign language with novel culture, take apart, and some character from various countries. Thank you for your watching, and I'm sorry for our group the mistake in the presentation, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.